Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to my channel Spicy Treats Official. So today we are going to bake chocolate cake. It's so delicious. So let's get started with the video. Add 3 cups of all-purpose flour and now 2 and 2/3 cups of granulated sugar or powdered sugar, and now add half a cup of cocoa powder, and after that 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, and if you want you can add a pinch of salt. Give this a whisk to distribute all these ingredients and especially the leavening agents and the cocoa powder. And now we will work on the wet ingredients. Beat 4 large eggs at room temperature. 3/4 cup of vegetable oil, 1.5 cup of strong hot coffee, and 1 cup of buttermilk. You can also use milk instead of buttermilk, but I love using buttermilk. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract or vanilla essence. And let's whisk it up. Now let's combine wet and dry ingredients very well. Butter a 9-inch pan and place a parchment paper and pour the batter into the pan. I have baked my cakes at 350 Fahrenheit for about 30 to 35 minutes, or you can bake it until the toothpicks come out clean. So ingredients are listed down in the description, so you can check it from there. And that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.